Hello everyone, welcome to Aljo. Today we are going to review another beautiful plugin. But before starting the main review, I want to ask you one question. What do you do when you need a custom font on your website? So normally what I do, I went in Google, download the font and try to call in my website. But today I am going to review another beautiful plugin, and the plugin is going to help you to implement any font you want to implement on your website. And as you know, font is necessary to beautify your WordPress website, and today I am going to talk about Use Any Font custom font uploader, and the plugin is built by Dinasarki. So today I am going to start the main video by reviewing the org description and the other information available. After that I'll move to the root of this plugin, then I'll check the price of this plugin. After that I'll show some resources related to this plugin, and finally I'll finish with the WP Hive insight analysis and my personal opinion. So let's get started reviewing this plugin, Use Any Font. Depend on your website, depend on your theme and business, the font is different, and most of the time the font is given default with the theme. We don't like that, so sometimes we may need our own font, sometimes we may need modern font. In that case you can use this plugin and upload your own font, upload the premium font you want. Description of this plugin is quite good, not a big description, not a small description. They have embedded a video tutorial how can you upload the font, right? So rating of this plugin, 5-star is the highest rating, 867, though they have some 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, even 1-star. This is quite natural, I guess. You cannot satisfy everyone with your service. The plugin has 200,000 active installations, so 200,000 website is powered by this plugin. Now let's move to the root of this plugin. Here is the root of this plugin. They already add example that what kind of font you can use. You can download Use Any Font, and you can purchase premium API key. Let's see their pricing for the API key. This is the personal 9.99 USD, and for the business it's 29.99 USD, and for the corporate it's almost 50. If I talk about the pricing, in my personal opinion, pricing is quite good. If you are a single user, you can use it. Even if you are from the business or corporate, still I recommend this plugin for your site. Now the next things, this is their font page of the website. Mostly they develop plugin for other services like Use Any Font that I already described. They also have WP Amateur Anti-Spam. It's basically anti-spam plugin. They have contact from validation plugin, jQuery validation plugin, and mobile theme switcher plugin also. So if you need this plugin, then you can check this website and you can definitely buy for your website. Now let's see the resource. This is their blog site, and their blog is not that much updated. Like you see, the last blog is in 2021, but the earlier blog is in 2020, then 2019, and the early days, from the early days. So their blog is not that much updated. And the YouTube channel, they have a YouTube channel, and this channel have some video, but I don't think that this channel is going to help you a lot. If you have some personal issues, if you have some question, don't forget to contact them with their contact us option. Moving forward, WP Hive. So they have total 3 million download. From there the growth rate is 0.2%. This growth rate is not quite impressive, but their overall quality, ease of use, quality of support, value for money, features, everything is 5 according to the WP Hive. And this plugin, last couple of months they did not have a good amount of installation, and last week they have 8,000 downloads, and they updated this plugin 15 days ago. If I talk about my personal opinion, I think this plugin is quite good. They also have some other plugin for your site. So you see, they are the plugin development company, so they know what is your requirement, and the rating is quite impressive, 4.5 so far. So that's all for today's review from the Aljo. If you want us to review your plugin, don't forget to comment below. Thank you. We'll back with another video.